Yo, what's up everybody? Hello. Today's video is basically on Netspend login and I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can do that. So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. It's pretty simple, so this is going to be a really short video, alright? So listen to it carefully, but before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then consider hitting that like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's move on now, shall we? First step, you want to search for Netspend login and click on login Netspend Prepaid account. It's going to bring you to this page, which is the official website of Netspend. Over here, you just need to enter your username. So I'm going to enter my username over here real quick. After entering your username, you need to enter the password of your account. Now, after you enter the password of your account, you're pretty good to go. If your username and password you entered is correct, you click on login and you should be able to log in into your Netspend account, alright? And if you want Netspend to remember your username, then you can tick mark this and Netspend's website is going to remember your username. So the next time you come to netspend.com, your username is going to be automatically entered, alright? And if you forgot your username, then you can click on username to recover your Netspend account's username. And if you forgot your password, you can click on password to recover your Netspend account's password, alright? And if you want to create yourself a new Netspend account, you can click on order a new card. Now, in order to create a Netspend account, you gotta buy a Netspend card first. I don't know why they have this thing, but you have to buy a card. After buying a card, it's gonna take you to the page where you guys can fill their form up. Once you fill the form up correctly, you should be able to create yourself a new Netspend account. We have also made a video on that topic, so if you want that, you can check that video out on our channel One to Step. But before that, hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time.